सुंदर सकाल समस्त को अनुरोध करुचु तो बर्तमान आम कौन करवा प्रति टेबुल रे ओके करेंट तीन बैच रु 3 जन बसवे 2 जन जिते सब आसमें जो सब बसवे सो दैट से कथबार्ता हे जान कौन कौन ओके तो कि लीडरशिप अच्छा लीडरशिप टीम रु प्रति टेबुल रे बांटी जाओ
कौन सर एते लेट रे सब लेट हे
सर मैच देखियो जाइथिली हां मैच हां से गुडा मते लागुची छाडी छुडे के आसले सर नितन सर सर बसले सर बसले
जूम लिंक के स्टार्ट करो पिला माने
अच्छा हम करेंट बैच रो किछि पिला को एक्सपेक्ट करू छु कि जन आछो कि करेंट बैच फर्स्ट ईयर तो सेकंड ईयर थर्ड ईयर
Good morning all. Okay. Our program take late start है ना. But our agenda जहाँ अच्छी, we'll just follow that. Actually our program start in 9:45, but it's okay. 11:45 है. हमें same agenda follow करिवा. Thanks a lot to Subrot sir and our HOD sir. Like fast batch of guests who formally came. So give them a big claps. मैं सीरीज देखना संडे रे हमें भी सुबह साथी के हम लोग बेसी बॉयज को हमें भी बड़ा कष्ट करना नहीं संडे है ले आओ स्त्री पिला छाड़ना नहीं हमको very tough to get out of the house on the weekend. Thank you. Okay, I just set the context. I'm having to we'll have a larger audience, a lot of people will come. But it's okay, we have close now, we have less, so we have the advantage that we'll be very close. Subrot bhai ठीक कले जे किसी current batch है तो पुराना batch, so it will be like a closed group discussion. So later on we can connect a lot in the WhatsApp and other forum. So and believe me, the stage will be on fire. One that guy who is sitting up front comes here, he has a 20-25 years experience of driving this stage and other activities. And I'm of the team. बहुत जन चुपचाप ही बस चंदी, but a lot of people have a large on-site multinational client abroad in Europe and many countries. So we'll share experience, and I think the current batch will get a lot of benefit out of it. Thank you. So we can start the lightning of plan.
हाथ पुराण देख एने सामने देखले
current man. ସମସ୍ତେ ପ୍ରାୟ 10-11 ବର୍ଷର industry experience, more than that. ତେଣୁ କଥା ହବ, you have a talk, what type of programming, କି ଆଜି ଜଣେ programming କେମିତି ଶିଖା ହୁଏ, late age ରେ କି early age ରେ, reskilling. So just have a discussion. Vijay, you can talk to your, like it's like a mentoring buddy program, right? You have to coach the guys who are very young because same guys will prosper later on.
A very good, great morning to all, to one and all present here. It's an honor itself to host this beautiful audience who has gathered here. I, Naveen Mohanty, with my co-host Vijay, welcome you all to this Alumni Meet 2019.
This world is full of diamonds and gems. We are having some of them today. To bear this event, with this note, I would like to give my heartiest welcome to our chief guest, HOD, all lecturers and alumni members and current.
We feel honored to have with us our alumni members. We need your support to make this event memorable and fantastic. Now I would like to call some of our guests, Nityanand sir, to come up onto the stage. Please sir. Mr. Saurabh
प्रेम रासा नहीं
and Mrs. Madhusudan ma'am. And please come on.
Rajendra.
So much of time, let us begin and unfold the various events awaiting.
Next, I would like to call upon our respected Mr. Saurabh Naik to kindly address the stage and share his views with us.
Good afternoon, everybody. Respected sir and my friends and my juniors, lovely juniors. When I say lovely juniors, you are much thanks. Okay. So when I joined the MCA, at that time I remember at that time the principal told two things. One, he told why Odisha is famous for. He told Odisha is famous for two things. One is it is famous for Puri Jagannath temple, and another is it is famous for Ravenshaw College Cuttack. And that is the one why advocate of Ravenshaw. That is the what inspired me to get admitted in this Ravenshaw College. Though I was the first batch, MC was the first batch over here, but I dared to advocate myself over here because of that word only, Ravenshaw College. Okay, so do you know, guys? The current batch, do you know when we have started? When the MC was started? Anybody know? Current batch. Current batch, do you know when MC was started in Ravenshaw? Yeah? Yeah, it was 1997 it was started. The first batch enrolled in the 1997. Still the first batch passed out. Now everybody from the first batch, from there onwards, they are well settled and they are into a very good organization actually. They have been to very good organization. They have been to abroad, they have been to on site, they have been handling the project, they have been handling multiple projects. They are into what I said. They are into I can say they are into the position like they are into the very big position like MD. There are some of the people are in the MD position. Some of the people are delivery manager. All kind of things they have done. Okay. So now, as we have gathered over here, I expect you people should have communicate with them, ask them what they have achieved and how we can achieve from them. That will be helpful. That will help you all. Okay. So don't be shy enough. Interact with all of them. Okay. Get inspiration from them because they have started from the ground level. And now they are in a very good position all over the India, all over the world, people are there. Okay. So, nothing more I can say. And another thing, when I say alumni, what is your expectation from the alumni? What do you want from the alumni? Do you have any expectation? No, just you will come over here at the phone and go. Do you have any expectation? Foreign batch? No expectation? If you have the expectation, just come out, just speak with these people, they will guide you. And it is a very good opportunity to interact with each of them who are in your own. Okay? With this, I am stopping over here and I hand over to my other colleagues. Thank you.
Now our former HOD Nityanand sir to come up onto the stage and say something.
Subrat, Madhumita, and dear friends, and I have joined here in 2003, 11th and I was HOD MCA from 2005. Take over the charge of MCA in 2005. And some of you might have studied at that time. So now I saw some of you recognize. And at that time you are facing a lot of problems. I know. Because at that time the arts was just managed by these two fellows, Subrat and Madhumita, nothing more, because they have to be praised, because they have taken much pain for you and for us also, for myself also. So I thank them for their sincerity. And you are now well settled in different parts of the world. And I congratulate you all, and I thank you for inviting me here for this alumni meet. And there is nothing to say on behalf of me. I finally pray to God that to prosper in your future, so that we will be happy. So when the students are prosper in their life, we, the old fellows, we will be much happier than anybody else. Because we want that our children should grow, and they should supersede us. Thank you all.
Thank you, Nityanand sir. Next, I would like to call Subrat sir to come up onto the dais and share his valuable words. Thank you, sir.
Respected Madhumita madam and my dear friend, एक्चुअली सार जहाँ कहले तो समस्त कथा मुझे कहबी सौरभ कथा कहबी जहाँ से कहला देवाशीष कथा कहबी सुब्रत साहू कथा कहबी आउ भी बहुत कथा कहबी तेणु मुझे बहुत कथा कहबार अच्छे तापर जी कहबी एक्चुअली जर्नी जो 1997 आरंभ होला बहुत कष्ट थिला बहुत कष्ट माने मैथमेटिक्स डिपार्टमेंट रो एक्चुअली एमसीए रो बर्थ थला किंतु तापे किछि नथला माने ता पिंदिया पे ड्रेस भी नथला खाया पे भी किछि नथला बेबी फूड भी नथला तो मैथमेटिक्स डिपार्टमेंट रो प्रथमे 6टा कि 7टा कंप्यूटर सेटू तार जर्नी स्टार्ट हला आ पिला माने फर्स्ट बैच रो पिला माने बहुत सुपर करछन बहुत सुपर तो सेते बेले मोर जति एज थिला मु सेते बेले पिला को बड़ भाई बड़िया एक्ट करथि आ एबे बापा आइ तो से एज गुडा आस्ते आस्ते क्रॉस करछि मोस्टली बहुत गुडा काम करे पड़छि जबकि कि मैथमेटिक्स डिपार्टमेंट जो माने प्रोफेसर थिले एमती भी ताकर बहुत प्रॉब्लम थिला निजर डिपार्टमेंट बहुत प्रॉब्लम थिला काना कोर डिपार्टमेंट बहुत प्रॉब्लम थिला ता सहित हमर एमसीए डिपार्टमेंट को से जेमती देखुथिले कोन करथिले ना जहां काम चलला बळे जिंस गुडा देखुथिले काना केते टीचर नथिले बहुत टीचर बाहर आस्थिले से टीचर को कांटेक्ट करबा को टीचर जदी भलो न पढे त चेंज करबा आउरे टीचर पढेबा ए बहुत गुडा दायित्व थिला और सार माने हमको से बिलीव करथिले मधुरिता मैडम मते बिलीव करथिले जबकि नित्यानंद सर कहले तो आमे सेमती कोची करथिले सेते बेले भी एक्चुअली आम सहित पिला माने भी बहुत साथ होथिले जेमति कि को टीचर जदी से माने देखिले भलो अछन से टीचर से से माने कांटेक्ट करथिले टीचर को ना कहथिले ताको कहथिले भी आसिया पे पढिया पे केमति भी होथिला तो एबे तो थिंग्स इज डिफरेंट एबे दे रिक्वायर द नेट क्वालिफिकेशन दे रिक्वायर पीएचडी क्वालिफिकेशन तो वेदर one of having a net qualified and PhD qualified, maybe he can deliver something. But सेतेबेले पिला जाउथिले देखुथिले जे सुंदर भाबरे पढौची करूची से पिला सेमाने से टीचर माने पाक आस्थिले एटा हला सेतेबेला कर सिनारियो से समय 99 रो महाबात्या भी आसी महाबात्या पूरा अवस्था खराब कर देछि लास्ट एग्जामिनेशन बेलको पिला माने एग्जाम दउथिले बात्या रे जाई पालानी वो छियो माने सेठी रहिले किछि पिला गले हॉस्टल ताको पे खाइबा आनिया पे तो एमती पूरा डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिंग जिनस होइतिला जबकि लैब भी सब बंद होइतिला ए सब जिनस देकी जाइछन फर्स्ट बैच पिला सफल भी सेमती करछथि ताको भी सेमती हेल्प आउट भी किछि किछि आमे करछु जोटा कि सब जिनस करिया ता परे परे 2-3 वर्ष परे 4 वर्ष परे अलगा प्रकार पिला सब आसे ताको पई कंप्यूटर रे जेतिला किंतु अलगा जति क्लासरूम दरकार थिला बेले बेले कि टीचर पढो नथले बेले बेले प्रॉब्लम होतला तो तापरे आरंभ होला ब्लॉक करिवार गोटे चलला आरंभ होला ताला होते तो मझिरे एबिटी हला हमें सब दिन आडी करे अलमीरा रे बिस्किट पानी बोतल आउ किछि टिफिन भी आडी रखदिलु काई पिला को सहित तो हमें थिलु ऑब्वियसली सब बडे पिला को ना एमती हला सर आज ताला पडिवार अछि आपण के देखिबे तो हमें से अनुसार प्रिपेयर हो जाउ तो हमें जदी ताला पडिवार बाहर रहबु ताले प्रिंसिपल आपको धरबे तेनु ताला पडिया भीतर लॉक रे आदमी रहउथु पिला को जिंस फुलला पर फिरला पर आमे बाबू तो एमती केते दिन चलला ए सब जिंस चल चली परे तापरे कॉलेज पुनी कॉलेज को यूनिवर्सिटी हला यूनिवर्सिटी डिपार्टमेंट चेंज हला परे दिन फैकल्टी नुआ परमानेंट फैकल्टी भी आसिले एबे नुआ नुआ आसते जते कि अलग अलग कॉलेज को नुआ नुआ टीचर भी आसते विजिटिंग फैकल्टी गेस्ट फैकल्टी तो एमती रे डिपार्टमेंट चलची डिपार्टमेंट सहित एमएससी कंप्यूटर साइंस आसी जोड़े रहला एबे 2 वर्ष ला बीएससी कंप्यूटर साइंस भी आसी तो हमर गोटे स्कूल ऑफ मैथमेटिक्स रहतला एबे गोटे इन्फॉर्मेशन साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी ए सब भितर एबे चलची तो एबे हमें प्लान आउट होची टोटली बिल्डिंग रो आ गोटे जो नुआ नुआ बिल्डिंग हेची बहुत गुडे एबे आसुची यूनिवर्सिटी फाउंड आसुची उच्चसुरु हमें गोटे अलगा जेमति कि लैब आ डिपार्टमेंट सेमति करयार प्लान आउट अछि नुआ जेहेतु एबे आछंती एचओडी नुआ आछंती से माने जो माने ऑर्गेनाइजेशन हेड ताको सहित एते माने से माने कहि परनाती ताको सहित कथा ही परनाती किछि रहि जाउची प्रॉब्लम होउची जदि प्रोफेसर जेमति जने विशेष सहित कथा हो से नुआ जॉइन करछि ता ପାଇଁ प्रॉब्लम होउची तो एटा जेतबे बैरियर का आस्ते आस्ते हटि जिवो किछि ठीक ठाक हे जिवो तो एगुडा के जिंस गुडा सब जाक सॉर्ट आउट हे तो ए जिंस रे एमति चलछि पिला माने तो भलो पिला फर्स्ट बैच रो किछि नाइ भीतर सितर बहुत भलो पिला फर्स्ट बैच रो उठले आउ जो माने कि एबे प्लेस अक्रॉस द वर्ल्ड अक्रॉस द ग्लोब सार कर भी मितन सार कर भी जॉइन जे से भी फर्स्ट बैच स्टूडेंट हां तापर 5-6 वर्ष मितन सार जतरे जॉइन कले सेतोळे तापर से फर्स्ट बैच रो पिला प्रमोद जे भी सार कर जॉइन से तो एमती चलिकी एबे पिला माने बहुत तो एबे पिला अछन हमर एमएससी कंप्यूटर साइंस से पिला आलुमनी माने ताको हेल्प भी करे चाहते दो आलुमनी माने को निजर फैमिली निजर सर्विस सब जिनस थाई से पिला टाइम दौरान आसुँच कथा कर प्रोग्राम भितर कॉलेज जो बेले साथ दे हाँ यूनिवर्सिटी तो से समस्त को कोर ऑफ द माय हार्ट समस्त को थैंक यू एक्चुअली यूनिवर्सिटी किसी क्षति आमको खराब लगे पिला हईराण हे तुम जमी एंजाइटी कहूँ सर कौन हम समस्ते आम तो गवर्नमेंट यूनिवर्सिटी गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज आम कौन करवा जाइए एक्सेल तुम जमी कल से पिला एक्जाक्टली सेमती भावुँ तेणु तुम मान साथ निहाती दरकार तुम तेणु भी जिते खराब हम आसवानी प्रोब्लेम होमती करनी टिके वर्ष को एमती 2-4 दिन अनेक सेमती आलुमनी हो कि बाहर तुम जो जाओ बेंगलोर हैदराबाद में जो भी अच्छा जो पिला जाऊँगी जमी तुम गूगल कर ग्रुप कर हेल्प करने सेमती भी हेल्प आउट कर सब जिन ठीक ठाक चलिए अगेन थैंक यू ऑल समस्त देखिए मुझे तो आज सब बेसी खुशी होती मतलब लगे बहुत खुशी तुम सांग को पाई खुशी तो तुम खुशी थैंक यू ऑल थैंक यू
फास्ट कौन कह मुझे जानी कारण मुझे कहीपरि मुझे जॉइन कली 97 लास्ट बेल को 2019 पर्यंत ये सर्वाइव करुँच कह सब पिला भल बट आई एम वेरी क्लोज टू द फर्स्ट बैच मतलब फर्स्ट बैच पिला साइंस भल लगे मुझे जानी कि आज पर्यटन सब पिला मन रखी मे भी से बहुत गुड़ा असुविधा था से असुविधा को सब सुविधा करूँ 5 वर्ष 3 वर्ष कटिगला सेकेंड बैच पिला भी भल बहुत एडजस्ट करते से किसी ना बहुत परिश्रम पिला करने पड़ता कि बहुत गुड़े सुविधा आसूची बट से सुविधाटा को आम पिला अवेल भी करना तो पिला लैब को आसवर तार इंटरेस्ट भी चली जाए तो आसब जदि से मेसीन टे पाइबनी कर से आसो कौन तो आगर जो असुविधाटा को पिला जिते एडजस्ट करते अबिका से एडजस्टमेंट भी मत लगुच जमी संभावना कम चली जाए तो से हिसाब से यदि आम एलुमिनीटा चलला भल भाव में चलला तो खास कर पिला माने जाइछन्ति भल भल जगह सब प्लेस होइछन्ति हमर जो नुआ नुआ पिला माने आसुछन्ति ताकू जदि किछि हेल्प करिवे से माने बहुत असुविधा में जाइए किसी सुविधा पाइबे आउ तुम को देखिए बहुत खुशी लगला बहुत वर्ष 19-20 वर्ष पर मुझे देखुची मैं समस्त मुह मन रखी कि ना भूली गली कारण बयस सहित मोर से मेमोरीटा धीरे धीरे कमी जाऊँ तो सार जमी कहले फर्स्ट बैच पिला बड़ भाई थे मुझे फर्स्ट बैच पिला बड़ भौणी थी आ किसी पिला माँ भी थी स्पेशली कई जन पिला थे जमीक सुब्रत साहू सौरभ बसंत नायक एमाने लोक सहित मुझे बहुत क्लोज थी सहित मैंने जो खिचड़ी पके से खिचड़ीटा भलरे पड़ते बहुत गुड़े जिन अच्छे जोटा कहीहबनी सेमती बहुत गुड़े जिन आम सेयार करूँ अबिका भी पिला सहित से माने बड़ भौणी माँ ही बट से क्लोजनेसटा बहुत पिला सहित भी अच्छी समस्ते आसी देखिए बहुत खुशी लगुच आई जिनसा आम आहरी जमी सेयार करके ग्रो करवा सेमती चलो थैंक यू
Thank you, Madhusmina ma'am. Now I would like to call Mr. Devasis Mohanty to come up onto the dais and share his valuable words. Sorry.
Welcome all. From everyone of the old batch and the new batch, I welcome all of you to this current alumni. Okay. Actually, okay. ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ ଆମକୁ କେତେ ଜଣ କହିଲେ ଯେ ଆପଣମାନେ ଆଲୁମିନି କାହିଁକି ହେଉଛି ତାର ବାହାରେ ତାର କାରଣ କ'ଣ ତା ଏଜେଣ୍ଡା କ'ଣ ଟିକେ ତାକୁ ବିସ୍ତୃତ ହିସାବରେ ଜଣେଇବେ କାରଣ ବାହାରେ କିଛିଟା ପରସେପସନ୍ ବିଲ୍ଡ ହେଉଛି ଯେ ସିନିୟର ମାନଙ୍କ କ୍ରିସମସ୍ ଭେକେସନ୍ ହେଉଛି ସିଏ ଛୁଟିରେ ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି ଘରକୁ ଏଠି କିଛି ପାର୍ଟି ଫାର୍ଟି କରିକି ପଳାଉଛନ୍ତି ବଟ୍ ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି ଓକେ ମୁଁ ରିସେଣ୍ଟଲି ଯାଇଥିଲି IIM ବାଙ୍ଗାଲୋର କ୍ୟାମ୍ପସ୍କୁ ସେଠି ମୋ ସାଙ୍ଗ ଗୋଟେ କୋର୍ସ କରୁଥିଲା ଆଉ ତା ସହିତ दी तीन टा थिले जो माने किछटा कंपनी सीईओ भी था तो से कथा हो तो मो पचाली जे आईएमबी व्हाट गिव्स यू एक्स्ट्रा से कहले दिस गिव्स जस्ट अ ब्रांड इट्स जस्ट अ ब्रांड आई मीन आईएमबी इज अ ब्रांड यू गेट अ जैकेट यू वेयर इट एंड यू विल गेट सर्टिफिकेट you post your LinkedIn and then you build a network. So like Revensa is a big brand who is actually देखिए बोले 2000, 2001, 2002 we have exploited the brand like anything and we have positioned ourselves very strong in the market. ସେତେବେଳେ ସମସ୍ତେ ଆମକୁ କଣ ଏମସିଏ କରୁଛ ରେଭେନ୍ସା ତ ନନ୍ ଟେକ୍ନିକାଲ କଲେଜ ବଟ୍ ୟୁ नो ରେଭେନ୍ସା ଇଜ a very old institute research faculty ଅଛନ୍ତି and a lot of people get IIT, IIM from this. So it is always जिनका आउट कथा है मैडम ने कहले कोन ना लैब रे पीसी नहीं ये नहीं not necessary because you have just a department that is enough. You have laptop, you come with a laptop and practice because ये जो problem होती है IIT campus रे ये problem होती IIM रे भी ये problem होती कौनसी जगह whatever you gives back nothing is enough. ତେଣୁ ଏଠି ଯଦି କିଛି ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ୍ ଅଛି ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ୍ ଗୋଟେ ଜିନିଷ ଅଛି କି ଦି ଷ୍ଟ୍ରେନ୍ଥ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଦି ୱିଲ୍ ପାୱାର ଅଫ୍ ଦି ଷ୍ଟୁଡେଣ୍ଟ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ୟୁ ନିଡ୍ ଟୁ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରେନ୍ଥେନ୍ ବିକଜ୍ ଏଠି ଯେତେ ଜଣ ବି ଅଛନ୍ତି ୟୁ ସି ଅଲ୍ ଆମେ ସବୁ କିଏ 2000 ଟଙ୍କା କିଏ 1200 ଟଙ୍କା କିଏ ଟ୍ୟୁସନ୍ ପଢ଼େଇକି ଯେତେବେଳେ MCA ପରେ ଆମେ ଗଲୁ few people opted ନାହିଁ ଆମେ ଘରୁ ପଇସା ଆଣିବାର ନାହିଁ just shut down that block will be self sufficient and ସେଇ ଭିତରୁ ବହୁତ ଜଣ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରଗଲ୍ କରିକି ବଟ୍ ଆମ ସହିତ NIT ପିଲା ବି ଷ୍ଟ୍ରଗଲ୍ କରିଥିଲେ ସ୍ଲୋ ଡାଉନ୍ ପିରିୟଡ଼ ବଟ୍ ସକ୍ସେସ୍ ରେଟ୍ ଇଫ୍ ୟୁ ମେଜର୍ ଦି ପରସେଣ୍ଟେଜ୍ ରେଭେନ୍ସାର 2000, 2001, 2002 tremendous in the market. Seriously, you believe me? ମୋତେ ସବୁବେଳେ ପିଲା ପଚାରନ୍ତି ଭାଇ ଆପଣ ଆମ କୋଉ ବିଟେକ୍ NIT ନା କୋଉଠୁ you see ମୁଁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ କଥା ହେଉକି ମୁଁ ଆମ ସିନିୟରମାନଙ୍କ ରେଫରେନ୍ସ ଦିଏ ପିଲାମାନେ ଆଶ୍ଚର୍ଯ୍ୟ ହୁଅନ୍ତି ଯେ ରେଭେନ୍ସା MCAରୁ ଏତେ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରଙ୍ଗ ପୋଜିସନରେ କେମିତି ଅଛନ୍ତି ଆଇ ମିନ୍ ଲଟ୍ ଅଫ୍ ପିପୁଲ୍ସ ଆର୍ ହିୟର୍ ଟେକ୍ନିକାଲ ଲିଡର୍ସ not only developer they are architects, senior architect, very well positioned technical leader people are working still ये गोटे आज क्वेश्चन पचार पिला कोडिंग केमती शिखा हम मो बयस है 40 बर्तमान मु भी कोडिंग प्रैक्टिस करुँची जस्ट लाइक आई एम लर्निंग स्केला आई एम लर्निंग ट्राइंग टू लर्निंग पाइथन सेटा ही होची रूल हमको 60 वर्ष पर्यंत रिटायरमेंट पर्यंत यू नीड टू बी हैंड्स ऑन बर्तमान गोटे क्वेश्चन आसुनी जे मु भी इंटरव्यू नहीं जेतले लेट्स से मोर 15 वर्ष मु 18-19 वर्ष लोग इंटरव्यू नहीं I ask a question what you can do alone so we manage team I said no what you can do alone so this theory is you have to be hands on तार्थ निजे self sufficient people will help you but देखो जब तुम बेसी गुडा के help करिवो if someone help you bad you'll be ruined right yes so don't take help take a guidance and you and तुम भीतर जे बस तुम लागु जे सब पिला को टाइट लागुथो हाले लागुथो हम भीतर भी सुन लागुथो जेतला हम तुम एज रो थिलो बहुत हाले लागुथो बोर लागे कोट अप्लाई करबो बट तुम जाओ एबे तुम आईटी कंपनी मान कर देखो you go to Wipro if you enter Wipro you will feel to suicide because lot of people no growth path but से 10,000 पिला मित्रों जो मैंने स्ट्रगल करके पिला जान दे से 40-45 वर्ष पिला माने भी ग्रोइंग वेरी फास्ट तुम कहो नहीं मोर तो बयस हो गला अब ये कोडिंग करिवो मोटर का धरि दे चारटा पिला को मैनेज करिवो देन यू गेट द सेम सैलरी फॉर सेवरल इयर्स सो द रूल इज दैट द natural selection survival of the fittest that still rule तुम जत्ते निजे को toned up करिवो the more you push yourself and be greedy एट जन लोक नाही शुभ संकेत पढ़ी सी आमको 1919 बात्या बेले गोटे कथा कहला जे से भाषा तो जा कहला कहयो नहीं but the theme is that be greedy and greedy is good because you don't aspire right I mean why to have a mediocre life I mean why to accept it right I mean you cannot achieve it से गोटे कथा अछि जे कुकुर वर्ष रे 2 दिन छुआ खणाए but hathi takes 2 years time I mean it's you know you need to you need to groom a big dream. So in order to do that, you need to keep pushing yourself. And the I would have got a dialogue also, I'll tell you the end. Okay, ମୁଁ ତ ଏଟା କ୍ୟାରିୟର ପାଇଁ କହିବି ତ ପିଲାଙ୍କୁ ପିଲାଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ମୋର ରିକ୍ୱେଷ୍ଟ ହେଲା ତମେ ଯେମିତି ଦେଖାଯାଉଛ ଆଇ ଥିଙ୍କ ଆମେ ତମ ବେଳକୁ ଆହୁରି ଧଇଁଆ ଦେଖାଉଥିଲୁ ମାନେ ପୁରା ଧଇଁଆ ଆମ ସାର୍ଟ ପ୍ୟାଣ୍ଟ ଏତେ ଏକ୍ସପେନ୍ସିଭ୍ ନଥିଲା ବାପା ମାନେ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ଚାକିରି ଦେଉନଥିଲେ ବାପା ମାନେ ପଇସା ଥିଲା କିନ୍ତୁ ସେତେବେଳେ ଦିଅନ୍ତିନି କିଏ ଆଇ ଥିଙ୍କ 700 ଟଙ୍କା ଦେଉଥିଲେ ମାସକୁ ଆମେ ମିଛ କହିକି ମୁଁ ମିଛ କହିକି 1200 ଆଣୁଥିଲି ପଦ୍ମଲୋଚନ 1900 ଆଣୁଥିଲା ସେ ବସି ସେଇଠି he might be having millions in his bank account now ହଁ ଚୁଡ଼ା ଛତୁଆ ଖାଇକି ବଟ୍ actually ଆମେ ବହୁତ ଚାଲାକ ଥିଲୁ I don't know ଆମେ ରେଭେନ୍ସା ବ୍ରାଣ୍ଡକୁ ପୁରା ଏକ୍ସପ୍ଲୋର କରୁଛୁ ଯୁଆଡ଼େ ଯାଉ ମାନେ ଏତେ ମାନେ ଆମେ କହୁ ଯେମିତି ଲାଗେ ରେଭେନ୍ସା ଇଜ୍ ଦ ଓନ୍ଲି ୟୁନିଭର୍ସିଟି ଇନ୍ ଦ ୱାର୍ଲଡ and that's how happened ତମେ ଯାଅ ଆମେରିକା ଯାଅ American University Institute American they are master publicists you go to America you see the people talk ତାଙ୍କର ସୁଇପର ଠୁ ଆରମ୍ଭ କରିକି CEO ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ Trump they are expert publicists they will publicize they will publish the brand they will so that is the true right ତମେ ଯେମିତି ଡ୍ରେସ୍ ଅପ୍ ହେଇକି ଆସିବ you speak that and go home who cares what you are doing in the back ତେଣୁ ସେଇଟାକୁ କର and don't get afraid because market ରେ ସବୁ ଜାଗା I'll tell you one more example historical figure ଗୋଟେ ବହୁତ ବଡ଼ war leader ଥିଲା ଚେଙ୍ଗିଜ ଖାନ he was from Mongol चेंगिज खान को से 1213 मसीहारे से थिला 1213 की 1273 थिला सी होची मंगोल रो गोटे छोटिया जिंदी जो जोबरा बोली कहबो गोटे गांडे तार गोटे लीडर थिला 14-15 वर्ष रो बट यू गो तापर से निजो एते स्ट्रेंथन कला होल वर्ल्ड वाज अफ्रेड ऑफ चेंगिज खान ही हैज द वन मोटो विन इफ नॉट ट्राई एंड विन So, you should all try. I'll try to get a job. Once you get a job, try for an on-site, try for an upscale, keep learning new things and you'll be successful. And you need to keep doing it till you retire. Don't settle. Thank you.
Here I just wanted to outline how you people can get benefited from the seniors. Okay. So one thing you have to speak up in the sense, whatever you have done, whatever, you need to be connected. It doesn't matter how you connect, you need to be connected through mail, just or you can call them and get the advice. Because the alumni base is very strong now. In Ravenshaw, the alumni base is very strong now. Or if you see from 2000 to till that, people are in big organization, then the whole over the company. Okay, you can get you can get the guidance from them. You can ask for what is the market trend going on now and how you can prepare yourself for the market. If you are shy of, then nobody will come and help you. For that, you should have the eagerness to get the things done. Otherwise, nothing will happen. Or if you not speak up and you will be crying over here, then nobody will help you. Okay. So as a alumni, we are here to give you 24 hours per day, but you have to give 2 hours for you as a current batch, as a job seeker. We are ready to give 24 hours, but you should give 2 hours at least. Then only you will be also in that position what you want. Otherwise, nobody will help you. And another thing, for this alumni arrangement also, we have followed up with the college, we have followed up with the VC, all these things. But the eagerness, I am not getting that eagerness. I am not finding that eagerness actually from the current batch, from the college itself. When I was contacting with the college, they told, the VC dean told, I don't want MC over here. I will close the MC. Okay. Then I thought, the same thing you are telling, when we are joined the college, 1997, at that time they told, MC is no more history and geography. Now the same mindset you are having now also. And you are saying, I will close the MCA. Then Then I was just asking, what is the difference between 2000 till that month? What you people are doing out here? Then I stopped. Then another thing they told, your dean told, people, I am sending the people over here in the different campus, all these things, but people are not getting it. People are not through the campus selection. They told. Then we told actually, have you, sir, have you seen how market is going on? Which direction market is going on? Have you given that opportunity to learn these people? Have you given that opportunity? Then there was no answer actually. Just they told, if you ask me all this question, then I will stop this NC over here. Yeah, they told. Then as we are just requesting for the 7-wheeler, all these things, so we want this work, then we are simply silent because we wanted this work. But this mindset has to be changed from the management, and this mindset has to be changed from the current batch also. They have to show the eagerness. They have to, because otherwise your team is saying, I am sending the people, I am sending my boys for the interview, but they are not getting qualified. This should not, that impression should not be go to your team if you want. And you have to learn the new things. As per the market trend, now market is going, that mainframe is gone. Now market is going on the data, AI, ML, all these things. You have to learn those things now. And if you see, even I have started my career from the mainframe. Now I am also doing the So I'm just taking a pause over here because the media. Let's complete that media things, then we'll continue one second. We all will go outside now, okay?
Actually, media packet से better अब समझता है बाहर जाके क्या हुआ तो सिर्फ ये जो वाला किसी कोई वाला कोई ना तो क्या है ग्रुप फोटो
ओके बतानियो बुझलिबा जो संतान कोटा बुला आईडी परिचय
ମୁଁ ସୌରଭ ନାୟକ ଏମସି ପାସ୍
कौन पाइबे एमसी तरफ आज बंधु मिलन होउची बहुत दिन पर समस्त एकाठी आइछन जूनियर सीनियर सब आज
मो बंधु मिलन भाई बहुत खुशी आज को 19 वर्ष पास आउट हैला परे आसी नथली कॉलेज आज आसी मु समस्त सहित मिसुची मते लागुची मु आउथरे कॉलेज को फेरी आसी मु भगवान को डाकुची कि मो मते आउथरे नेक्स्ट जन्म देबे मनीष जन्म दियंतु मु आउथरे एवेंसर आसी पाठ एमती मो सांग रहूँ
केते खुशी अछन
मु बहुत खुशी आज बहुत खुशी मो सांग मान को देखि मो कौन कहि
कौन पाइबे जूनियर पिला जो आछन ताको अपन
जूनियर पिला को कहबी कि आमे माने बहुत स्ट्रगल करके बहुत जहाँ भी करछु बहुत भल भल जगह पिला माने सब अछन से माने तांको कैरियर को देखंतु आज मार्केट ट्रेंड जहाँ चली से माने सेगुडा को देखंतु निज को सही भले बनांतु आउ सब बड़े जो एल्युमिनियम बेस बनेछु से माने सहित कांटेक्ट रहंतु सपोज दे विल हेल्प देम कि से माने ऊपर केमति जिवे कोन नै तांको फ्यूचर पाथ से माने तांको सेट कर परिए
थैंक यू ठीक अछि Name please.
My name is This is actually long history presence and this album we have been doing for very long time. This actually gives a lot of platform to connect with the current batch and all the leaders in the industry like us. We have been working very it's very good connect and we give current batch apart from that it's a nice experience to meet our teacher, faculty, because of those people we are interact with the current batch. It's a very nice and good and I think we'll keep doing for several years.
Thank you.
MCA 97 2000.
मार दे भाई साउंड सामने आउट
just arrived. No, direct from airport I came here.
Ready? Click.
आगरू जो मैंने जो बसले request them to take their chair and someone please call the outsider they should also come inside. पछरे जो मैंने अछंती Jeff and other come forward. Our person will continue our program as per the agenda. Then we will go break for lunch, and then we have a lot of other fun activities are there. So request all members to come inside and take their place. And come forward. Don't go back. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. अब बाहर के रंग लगी काट दो ये सुब्रत भाई और सौरभ भाई सुब्रत भाई का बाहर आते हैं पॉइंट ये वॉलंटियर्स प्लीज कॉल एवरीवन इनसाइड रंजीत सब बाहर जो ऑप्शन ना तो भीतर आसबे Okay, I think we can start now. Shall we start now? ये सुब्रत भाई बाहर आते नीचे हेमंत भाई सुब्रत भाई ओके एक्चुअली गोटे एजेंडा थिला जोटा कि जेहेतु एलुमिनी मेंबर अछंदी व्हाट इज द बेनिफिट दिस एलुमिनी कैन गिव टू द करंट बैच या ऊपर मो माइक ने कि समस्त हम सीनियर पाको ने कि मुझे भी माइक एंड दे शुड टेल हाउ दिस एलुमिनी मेंबर ओल्ड मेंबर्स can help for the current batch. Can you give the mic to Padma? Padma Luchan Mahapatra. How our experience can benefit the current batch?
Okay, thank you. Okay, so first, Mo 2002 pass out, and Mo actually first time after 17 years. 17 years Mo actually first time, and this is my first time I joined. This alumni. So I feel more excited than all of you, and I see a lot of people like Madhumita Madam, Jyoti sir, all of our old folks, and all my senior of us. Okay, so what is your?
The agenda is that how your experience can benefit the current batch.
Okay. So basically, my IT industry is almost 17 years ago. More different company and different country की बुरी चलेंगे. तो basically जो वो एक्सपीरियंस हिसाब से इनिशियली जैसे समझते कहते कि इनिशियली जो 2-3 वर्ष पिला बहुत स्ट्रगल करते से ही आम स्टार्टिंग लर्निंग शिखिलु बेसिकली कि नुआ जो पूरा रेवल्यूशन स्टार्ट है जेठी सर कहते कि प्रति 3 मास 15 दिन आम सब लॉक कर दूँ से गोटे कम्प्लीट से गोटे तो बेसिकली से हमको लर्निंग सिखेला बेसिकली कि हाउ टू स्ट्रगल एंड हाउ टू प्रोग्रेस फर्दर विदाउट लुकिंग द बैक तो मो एक्सपीरियंस हिसाब से मु जीरो डेटा जोर भी था है बेसिकली बट माय सजेशन एंड माय हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट टू ऑल माय ब्रदर्स एंड सिस्टर्स आ निचो जो करंट स्किल जो अछि मार्केट रे आजिरो डेट रे देखो आमे जो जॉइन करथलो सेटा बेले को टेक्नोलॉजी रे आमे काम करथलो किंतु आजिरो डेट रे मु जो जॉइन करथली आई वर्क इन मेनफ्रेम टेक्नोलॉजी तो आजिरो डेट रे मेनफ्रेम रो जीरो सेटा बेले आमे जो जॉइन करथलो बहुत मार्केट रे मेनफ्रेम पिला माने बहुत डिमांड हॉट स्किल जत्ते पैसा मात्रे दउथिले किंतु आजिरो डेट रे वी डोंट हैव दैट मच वैल्यू बिकॉज़ क्योंकि हर 5-4 वर्ष रे 5 वर्ष रे स्किल चेंज होछि and we have to upgrade ourselves. सब बड़े निचु को अपग्रेड न कले हमें आज डेट रे माने हमें सर्वाइव करि पारिबानी because IT industry is volatile and IT industry is always challenging. So basically my request to all of you is that let's try to learn even as of now also I was talking with the bosses also. I am also right now like 40 years So I am also trying to learn like how to go into the cloud environment and all. So समस्ते जो जीए भी अच्छा समाने new technology को प्रथमे ये करने को मैंने grasp करने को चेष्टा करूँ. That is what my sincere request. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
I am Sujata of 2000 batch. I am working in Tata Steel Long Products Limited. So it is different from your software company. It is purely a manufacturing company. So it is different from the work that you are doing in the software companies. But as a data group, I mean, basic importance we are giving, what we are earning, we are giving to the society. Like that, we are giving more focus on the corporate responsibility. So what we are earning, we are also giving to the society, like that. So we are also, as part of Tata Group, I am giving more time to the citizenship that underprivileged people that are surrounding our company. Okay, and basically when we are in that, when we have passed out in 2000 batch, we did not have any seniors, but you people are now you people have at least 500 seniors with you. Okay, and I hope whenever you will call anyone, they will help you. No doubt, everyone will help you, and that's why we are here today. Okay, so all the best to the current batch students, and very happy New Year 2020 to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good afternoon. My name is Shivani. I'm from 2K batch, 2000 batch. I think for digital India to explore बहुत सारा opportunity अच्छी. Always keep learning attitude. सबोरे one से सीखने का चेष्टा करो. And move forward. Okay.
Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Simantika Rai. I am from 2000 batch. And currently I am in Private Engineering College in Bhubaneswar. I am working as the assistant professor over there. तो सेठी भी पिला माने एमटी फाइनल ईयर एंड प्री फाइनल ईयर पिला माने they are appearing for the campus interview and all. Basically, from the students, all the companies they don't need much. What they expect, like you should have clear concept about the subjects like your core papers like DBMS, operating system and all. You have the concept very clear on that. For the freshers, what I have seen, the companies which are coming to our college, they are not asking very big and very different, very difficult questions outside your syllabus. They just want that you should have sound knowledge about the programming languages like C, C++ and all, and little idea about your Java and advanced Java. So just keep your concept very clear. And you people are very lucky that you are having so many helping seniors being placed in very good companies in big positions. They can help you out. आमे जितबे 97 to 2000 रे जितबे करिलु MCA हमर की सीनियर नथिले तो बहुत स्ट्रगल करी कि तमे देखि परथो पिला माने के भलो भलो पोजीशन रे अछंती एटलीस्ट तमको सेते स्ट्रगल करिबार नाही आउ जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज अच्छी मार्केट रे इवन फ्रेशर्स मानको पाई अच्छी मु देखु छी एवरी ईयर कैंपस रिक्रूटमेंट रो स्टैटिस्टिक्स देखि कि आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग दैट so just be focused, have confidence on yourself and believe in God, then you can achieve what you want, right? So like that's it. All the best for your future. Any help you need from your seniors, even from me, you can reach out to us. We are having that group, right? Alumni group. Be a part of that. Thank you so much and Happy New Year in advance. Thank you.
Move down the explore the way. That guy, से बहुत ups and downs actually. He is very good in reskilling, learning new things. So give it to Prabhat.
The entrepreneur.
How to get job and things like that, everybody will get job. The moment you are doing anything, forget about MCA, forget about any other university or any other thing. The moment you change your outlook, the moment you are very positive, you will get a job. There is a lot of opportunity. Our economy is growing. You have new factories, new companies. Everybody is coming. The moment you think, I need to get a job, or you need to think, I need an opportunity, then you need to start yourself initiating. You need to take part, not only create a resume and send it to somebody. Now you have alumni, they have a great network. Many people are working in great organizations. I could see a lot of people are sending job lists to many in the WhatsApp group. If you are connected to the WhatsApp group, you get a lot of things. Then skills wise, the moment last few days we are taking interview for Java, .NET and people, for 20 or 20 to 30 interview, only we select on 1 or 2 candidates. It's not like they are not good in skills. Skill is one part. Second part is your ability to express yourself. And that is more important than your skill. Anybody can learn. You won't believe people who are just 10 plus. They work with me. They are working with me now in computer associations, those organizations. Just 10 plus. They don't have any skills on MCA, don't have skills in MSc, BSc, nothing, just 10 plus. And they are writing algorithms which are at par with the guys who are doing some kind of PhD or something. No, you need to have confidence in yourself. So and most important thing, you always sell yourself up, not down. Okay? You need to always sell yourself up. Then it will improve your sellability. Thank you all.
Thank you. ମୁଁ ଏବେ ଜଣେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ ଥିଲୁ ସେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ 8-10 ହଜାର ଟଙ୍କା salary high-fi reported MNCs. So I request him to share how the current bank can benefit. Hemant bhai. Since the 10th pass person come the highly qualified. Yeah, interview करते हैं.
प्रभात नवो की नहीं पिला. नवो. रिव्यू करते हो. बोला.
And everybody will get a job. So my first suggestion, so once you pass out, somehow suppose you did not get any walking into anything, just go and explore yourself in a different city which is comfortable to you. But just I'm giving my example. So I joined a company. So before going to the interview for the company, people are saying that okay, they will ask for the triple pointer they put, and they will say okay, what is the output? Then I took it a challenge. Okay, I'll just see how. Then I practice myself a lot. Then I class through. You don't believe in 100 batches, there are 50 people from IIT and 50 people who goes through the walk-in interview. So then we also, along with the IIT students, we contact with them and also we are asked for with them. So last thing is be confident, okay? And that we are reading a lot of things as part of the MCA curriculum. So among these, you have to choose. Like you have to choose either you have to go through C or Java. So 2 lines you have to choose C and Java. The second thing is you have to choose Linux. So you have to read Linux also. And another thing is operating system. You have to know very good in operating system. Because any places you will go, they definitely ask about the operating system concept. So you should be very clear about the operating system concept and Linux networking. And C and data structure programming. Just practice, code yourself, and try to upskill yourself. So this is the 3-4 things they ask. Current market trend is artificial intelligence, machine learning, and cloud. So these are the 3 trends currently going on market. If you can take some training, that will be very good for your career. Because if you look at another 20-30 years down the line, machine learning, artificial intelligence, cloud, it will be in the top of the technology. So that's mine. And last is say, so just be confident, always upskill yourself. You will definitely get a job. All of you will get a job. So no doubt about that.
Thank you.
And I'm from 2005 batch. I just wanted to just gather here. So I'm from a quality assurance guy. I have been in the industry for the last 12-13 years. The only thing which I'm seeing is that people who are coming with a positive attitude, they should, they want to express themselves properly. The only thing which is lacking in our people is that they are not positive enough. Be positive. That's the first sign you should go to get through an interview. After that, what they are told, like machine learning and AI is the hot cake in the kind of industry. You should, whatever you are learning, make your basics strong. If you go on the basic, one simple question will come. The way you answer, you will know what is the depth of your knowledge. So when we discussed about this was a basic thing. Alumni is conducted for all the people so that they should know each other. First of all, they should have an interaction with the seniors and they should take advantage of the rich life environment which people are working on this. So be prepared for this. India is a vast market. Across India also, abroad there is also a bigger market. So jobs are there, definitely. But if you don't have confidence in yourself, you will be lagging. Definitely you will be lagging. So that is what I wanted to say. Just be confident and make your basics strong. Thank you.
Thank you. You should dress up well, you should speak properly. You may not speak rich English word, but you should be confident to say. And remember one thing, you don't need to know everything. Because if someone asks me, I work in a technology line, they ask me, I say, I don't know. I don't need to know everything. You don't need to know everything, but the basics. And when someone says AI, you don't have to tie with a whole lot of AI. Just a programming, Python. That's all.
Different. Present time totally back there. I have joined the IT office in Punjab Bank in 2005. At present I am a senior branch manager in Punjab Bank. Senior मानू देखिए motivation नहीं है. क्या समझते बात क्या होगा? जब हमारे पास करते समझते utilize करो. ठीक है सर. So more request है ना. आपण माने जितने पिला पास आउट एक्शन लेवल से हो, समस्त में database बनाओ. समस्त कोटी काम करो. तो एटलीस्ट आपण जानी परिबे जे को सेक्टर में जॉब मिलुछ. आज को टेक्नोलॉजी काम हो चाकरी तो पाई ठीक है. तो माय रिक्वेस्ट इज मेक योर एनवायरनमेंट हैप्पी, कीप योर फिजिकल एंड मेंटल हैप्पी, कीप योर सोसाइटी हैप्पी. बिकॉज समटाइम इन माय एज बिकॉज समस्त वेज में गोटे इश्यू है ना टू बैलेंस वर्क लाइफ एंड फैमिली राइट. तो चाकरी तो मिल जीव पैसा अर्न करेंगे बट किंतु आपण मानकर जो कोऑर्डिनेशन और मोटिवेशन सेल्फ मोटिवेशन आपको कहीं नहीं. सेल्फ मोटिवेशन आपण शिखा पड़ो सीनियर मान देखिए आपण सीनियर आपण रेस्पेक्टेड टीचर्स से शिखा पड़े. लाइफ स्ट्रगल आस मजा ही नहीं ना सब आप गोटे खाइबा मजा आस. सो सेल्फ मोटिवेशन आपण नियंतु. बाकी जो रिक्वेस्ट आपण कली डाटाबेस बनातु सो दैट आप जानीपारे जे को फील्ड में आप सीनियर मैंने काम कर को कंपनी अच्छी दुनिया में आप किसी जान थे ना पास आउट क्लास रेज्यूम जोटा बाहर फेक ठीक है. तो से आप सब बसिक आप फर्स्ट इयर बैच से बनातु. बाकी मुझे कहबी आप सब प्रिपेरेसन कॉम्पिटिटिव प्रिपेरेसन एंड योर प्रोफेशनल बोथ आर डिफरेंट. जो कौन कॉम्पिटिटिव जी तार प्रिपेरेसन टिके डिफरेंट है. बाकी जॉब पाइबा आप जो पाठ पढ़ुंट और चाकरी करेंगे बहुत आर डिफरेंट. आप जहाँ पढ़ी जाइए कम सीटा करेंगे सेमती ना. मैक्सिमम पीपल आर वर्किंग विथ एक्सेल. आई दे आर गेटिंग मोर देन 2 लाख सैलरी पर मंथ बट दे आर मैनेजिंग एक्सेल नॉट अ सीट राइट. तो से आप सब सीनियर मान देखो और मोटिवेशन दिखाँ किए केमी कम कर कार को क्वालिटी भल अच्छे. आप बहुत क्वालिटी आप जानते जो आप 15-20 पिला सहित छिड़ा किसी कहे तो यू फाइंड योर सेल्फ कि व्हाट आई एम क्या है मेरे पास. ठीक है ना. बाकी ऑल ऑफ मेरे लिए सबको हैप्पी न्यू ईयर एडवांस और बेस्ट ऑफ लक फॉर योर फ्यूचर अहेड. कीप गोइंग, कीप हैप्पी. थैंक यू.
I request Pavitra.
My name is Pavitra Kumar Sahu, 2006 pass out. And special thanks to my senior and leader group who have created a soft platform for you. And thank everybody because of the support and cooperation. Then come to our agenda, okay? I will tell you one. By my personal experience, I will share one thing with you. Don't quit after completion of your 2006